Come on. Somebody needs to lift her up. Oh no.
Ik zal haar wel dragen, want ze kent me.
Nee, nu dat ik het los kan maken.
Oh, maar ik kan niet filmen en tegelijk dan.
Nee. Can you help? Yeah, can you help to lift her up so the thing does not...
Ay, tapika. Zijn er een paar puppies dood?
Nee, denk het niet. Wait, I need to do...
Jezus, me you.
This is so terrible.
Ai,
so
me you.
terrible. She needs
Ja, ze kan niet eten. Ja.
Just tell me what if you do.
Hoe is dit nou mogelijk?
Stupid. Sorry, excuse me.
Is oké, baby, is oké. We zijn er voor je, mami.
Lift her up, Becky. That you can breathe. Oh, Lord.
Oh, baby.
Stupid people. It's a little bit too much.
Shall I hold her head up?
Then she needs to breathe. That's only. I made some.
Sorry, sweetheart.
Space. Oh, stupid people. So.
En ik heb politie Byron gebeld voor hem, maar ik kan hem niet te pakken krijgen. Is oké. Jezus, me, you, takina si kumo, mami. Jesus Christ.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, sorry.
She's on.
Babies.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Okay, we have her. Hold her here.
Yeah, I don't think she has much milk.
Yeah.
All those
I
poor
don't know.
animals.
Yeah.
Okay. Ay. Oh God.
Okay. This go with me.